This story, I have to tell this story because it's a story happened only in Belgium during all the war. A train was stopped by the underground by 3 young students, and by chance, it's very strange. It happened the same day of the uprising of the Warsaw Ghetto, 19 April 43. The same night, when with the uprising of the Warsaw Ghetto, this train was stopped. They opened one coach where maybe 20% escapes, but mostly they were killed directly by the German. But the train began to ride slower and slower, and the people, they began to open from inside. Like my father-in-law, he took tools from the factory, and he opened the coach from inside, like a lot of people. And from this train escaped 250 people.